What up, Gokumers?
Chato, do you see a purple thing? Come in weird. Here, and I'll give you my weapon.
I'm playing Piggy. Wait. Huh?
Do you have purple?
Huh?
Yeah. Okay, we close it.
Wait.
Because people might come in.
Wait.
The only person I'll let in is you. If you see a blue bike sign, that's me. People killing me. Then come to my house so you can get some weapons. My house is a purple one.
Okay, turn it down. So it doesn't.
What color is it? Purple. So it doesn't have
Yeet.
No.
What?
Yeah, a little gray and a little black. Okay, open the door,
So,
Alright. Open the door.
I died. Let's spectate the others.
Come in. Close the door.
Oh,
Wait, can I try this on you?
what is this doing?
Yeah. Oh, that hurt. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Game over. It's alright. Be careful with that. That's be careful with that. That one's,
Sorry for them being loud, but fine, it's fine. Yep.
So do you want to come to my house? So you can go to your house?
So,
Wait. You can go
we're playing Piggy, 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 Piggy.
I did.
So, why am I always on the top corner? Always. Let's play. I like to play the carnival one. What? Gallery? Fine. Fine. Let's see about things. Gallery has been selected. Trader. Trader Joe's.
You can't open it with that door. Go to your house.
Yes.
Go to your house.
Comment down below if you like bot and player, or trailer. Trader, not trader.
Build my house.
Trader Joe's or Trader Joe's. Looks like we have to go through the gallery.
Oh, you want your own house?
Yup.
You want your own house?
I'm tired today.
I'm building my whole house now. Look.
I am tired like Markiplier. Yeah, what did happen to Markiplier? Markiplier was like,
Ooh, just got a new weapon. Yeah.
Let's turn my light up because I can't see. Crash.
Well, there's another new weapon.
Big as a weapon. Selena Gomez? Is this Selena Gomez? Sorry, Selena. But is that you?
No way. What? Yeah, because since you know you heard me.
I'm Selena Gomez. Hola, my name is Selena. I like Patricia.
I have 2K. Hey, Chato, can I go to your house so I can see how it looks like? Yes, sir. Come. Wow, your house is huge. Which one's yours?
Let's see if I need another hammer.
It's like red.
What? How should traitor? Oh, he's this big traitor. Oh, man.
Open the laser.
Man. Alright, guys. After that, see you guys later and have a nice day. Adios, amigos.